Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can alphabetize in Google Doc. And alphabetize basically means that how you guys can arrange it according to alphabet. So according to alphabet, this is going to be down, this is going to be up, just like that, okay? So let me show you how you guys can do that. For that, you need to go inside the document first, and inside the document, you can see the extension option at the top. Click on it. From over here, click on add-ons. Once you click on add-ons, click on get add-ons. Once you click on get add-ons, it's going to show you a big box just like this. Over here, you can click on search and search for sorted paragraph. So click on SORTED and it's going to show you this. Click on it. Once it searches for sorted paragraph, you can click on the first option. Click on it, you want to click on install. Click and continue. Now once you click on install, it'll start to install. So let's wait for some time until it installs. Once you install sorted paragraph, you can just select all of these text and then click on extension add-ons, and under add-ons you will see sorted. You can click on sorted A to Z and all of this is going to be sorted. So that is basically how you guys can alphabetize in Google Docs. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.